Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Shad if you guys are new, and in this video I'll be teaching you guys how to make Dorito Nacho Salad. I love this midnight snack so much. It's so good. Now this is the stuff that you'll be needing for this video. So you'll be needing some onions. You'll need some chopped jalapenos. You'll be needing some chopped tomatoes. You'll be needing some cheese, some shredded marbled cheese. I love my cheese to be marbled. I think I get both of it. And then you got some chopped green onions. Then you got some chopped avocados. So now, and then next you'll be needing some Doritos, of course. This is like the chocolate chips to the chocolate chip cookie. So you guys need to like crunch it a bit, make it bite-sized for you to make it easier for you guys to eat. Oh, and I almost forgot. You guys need some lettuce too. Some chopped lettuce. Now let's get started. So the avocados, like the stuff doesn't get soggy, like so everything goes in rhythm, everything's great. We're gonna be putting in a simple order. I hope you guys can remember this. This will also help you. So first, we're gonna add the Doritos, the star of this show. I'm gonna sprinkle some here in this bowl. All of it. And then that's it. I'll put this aside because I don't think okay, it's here. Okay. So next we'll be needing is some onions. Put this in a simple order. Trust me, if you guys do not do it like this, you guys are gonna regret it. And if you guys haven't realized, I'm wearing a wrong sleeve. I'm wearing a Hogwarts jacket, I think. What do they call this? I forgot. So I'm wearing the Hogwarts jacket for Halloween. Yeah, who else is excited about Halloween? I'm so excited about Halloween. Who else? So let's start. So I'm gonna add some onions. I'm gonna sprinkle it so it goes everywhere, equally spreaded. So there you go, guys. Of course, we're gonna be adding layers, so we're gonna use some more. Next, we'll be needing some jalapenos. Sometimes, just for fun, I call these jalapenos because they have to start with a J. I don't know, for some reason, it sounds fun to call it jalapenos. But the right words, I lost my words. I don't know what's happening. I've been losing lots of words today. So, I don't know if this is some effect or something. Or have I been too much in Halloween? Now this is enough because jalapenos are really spicy, so we don't want to add too much. Next, we're going to be adding our chopped tomatoes. Let's grab my spoon. Add the tomatoes. Sprinkle, remember, sprinkle. And guys, you guys are going to love this. It's so good. Now after this, we're going to be adding some of our chopped green onions. You guys must be wondering, when's the avocado gonna come? When's the cheese gonna come? Well, that's gonna come at the end. You'll understand if you guys do it like this. So there you go. This is actually the green onions. They are from, I actually grow these. So yeah, it's been fun growing these. Now we're gonna add the avocado. Grab the spoon. There you go. That's it. I'm gonna add some of this. Guys, and that's it. No, not it. We still have lots to do. Now we're gonna add the lettuce. Look, the Doritos bag wants to come in the shot. Okay, we can't do this with this. Okay, we're gonna have to do it with our hands. Sprinkle it. Oh my god, it does not want to leave my hands up. And if we get this video to 50 likes, I'll be doing 2 more videos about nachos, some of my favorite nacho foods. I don't know what to call it. I called it cuisine, and then that was wrong. I don't know what to call it. Help me. Guys, tell me in the comment section below what I should call this thing. I don't know what. Okay, now it's time for the cheese. Let's try some first. That's the stuff. That's good. Let's spread some now. I like mine to be extra cheesy, but people have their own taste, so you guys can add less, or you can add more. Like with pizza, when I make it homemade, I don't like to add too much salsa. It takes away from the cheese then. So we'll keep adding some. What's your favorite kind of cheese? Do you like mozzarella, cheddar, or marbled? And then that is it. Let me just get rid of these. Okay, now what are we gonna do? We're gonna mix it all together. So we're gonna take the spoon. Oh my god, guys. I'm so excited for this. This looks so good already. Well, this is a salad, guys. It doesn't look like a salad with Doritos and everything. It looks like a salad. Let me put this in the middle. Now, let's try some. Let's see how this tastes. Okay, here you go. Guys, this was so good. Every single crunch I took, there was just different taste. It was delicious, guys. Like it was so good. Like there was like flavor just exploding in my mouth. Every single crunch I took, there was a new taste, guys. This is so good. I love this so much. And now this is it, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like and subscribe. And I will see you all next time. Bye bye.